Hey, hello. My name is Quatechia Renee, and you are watching Quatechia Create. Hello, besties. Oh my gosh, you guys. So today we are going to be doing something a little different. It's just going to be me and you chatting. Okay, I have some things that I feel like I need to update you guys with, and I tried to do that with a short, which I don't even think it uploaded as a short. Like, look, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I don't know. I'm growing, I'm learning, and whatever. Okay, but I have some things that I want to share with you guys, and I wanted to elaborate on some things. And also, I feel like it's been a while since I've shown my face, and I feel like y'all miss me. But here I am. Okay. First things first, the biggest thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that I've been having issues with epoxy, and I don't really know what's going on. Like, I've tried so many different things. I've changed my mask, I've changed my filters, I've now upgraded to another mask, which I didn't realize that there was a difference in masks. But I did recently change to a mask. It has like the pink cartridges on it, and it's something like P100. I think that's like the strongest cartridge. Like it blocks the most chemicals, like 99.1% of things in the environment. So I've switched over to that, but I'm still having reactions, which is one of the reasons why you haven't seen me in the camera, because my reactions are very much on my face. I get huge zits, pimples, whatever you want to call them, but I'm actually dealing with one right now. But anyway, I felt really good this morning, so I thought, I would come and chat with you guys and let you know what's been going on with me. So being that I am having these reactions, I've been doing epoxy tumblers for over 2 years now. And now that I'm starting to have these reactions, like, I'm just starting to reassess things. And I think like it breaks my heart, but I'm in the process of getting away from epoxy. Okay. I do have some CrystaLac tutorials coming soon, and I'm really excited about that, y'all. I just had a birthday, and one of the things that I asked my husband for was basically craft supplies, of course. Like, I guess now I'm now I'm at that age where it's like I'm not asking for things like, a new purse or some new shoes. Like, he likes to buy that type of stuff, or jewelry. He likes to buy that type of stuff because, that's more his speed. But I'm at the point in my life where, y'all, guess what I asked for Valentine's Day? I asked for a bidet for Valentine's Day. That's where I'm at in my life, okay? So for my birthday, which was April 14th, happy birthday to me. Okay, for my birthday, I turned 35, and what I asked for was some craft supplies. I asked, not so much craft supplies, but I asked for a gift card to the CrystaLac company, so that I can, load up on CrystaLac products. So I've ordered some stuff, and I have some stuff coming, and I'm really excited about that. Really excited to get started with it. I do have a small thing of bright tone that I have not used, so I will be working with that while I wait for my products, which I think I already got a shipping notification, to be quite honest. So it may even get here before I start working with what I already have. But anywho, enough on that. I will be moving towards epoxy-free products, and so also more tutorials on epoxy-free products. I'm not going to completely do away with epoxy until I'm actually done with it. Also, I'm gonna try another mask. You guys probably, if you don't know me personally, which most of you do not, I'm on the shorter side. So most of the masks that they sell are medium, and in my research it said that the size medium fits about 70% of the population. They also have large and they have smalls. So I've been using medium, and I'm going to purchase a smaller size because I'm on the smaller side. So I'm hoping that that helps, but I'm still the reactions that I'm having and the increase in sensitivity, it still has me concerned to the point where I still plan on moving away from epoxy tumblers. Anywho, so you'll see more snow globe tutorials, which I have one coming up soon, and I'm really excited about it. You guys are gonna love it, okay? You're gonna love it. I know you're gonna love it. I love it, you're gonna love it. So I have that coming soon. I'm really excited about that. And I'm also working on some rhinestone projects as well. So I'm really excited about that. I'm just like, I gotta do something. Also, I got you guys. And you guys, besties, we are now at over 500 subscribers. And I'm really excited about it. And I know it's not a lot to some people, but it is a lot to me, and it means the world to me. And I'm so happy that you guys come back week after week, video after video, and I am super excited about that. Speaking of week after week, video after video, I also will be transitioning from 2 videos a week to 1 video a week. YouTube is a lot. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna keep it 100% real with y'all. Like, you can expect that from me. Like, I'm gonna keep it real. It's a lot, and it's a lot of editing, and I enjoy it, but I don't want to overdo it. So I want to be able to continue giving you guys quality content, and in an effort to do that, I have to go down to 1 video a week, okay? I'm hoping in the future we will be able to, go back up to 2 videos a week or even more. I don't know. But also, you will see me more on my social media. So I'm on Instagram, I am on TikTok, I am on Facebook. Speaking of Facebook, with Facebook, we will be starting a Facebook community so that you guys, we can have a community of crafters, and we'll be able to share our creations with each other, and you'll be able to get, me, you'll be able to get me and help from, our other members of the community. And yeah, I'm really excited about that. I'm hoping that I'll have that ready to go like within the next 2 weeks. Okay, I was waiting for us to get to like 500 subscribers. Now we have surpassed 500 subscribers. Again, thank you guys so much. I am really excited about that. So that's what we have in the works. To recap everything, we are moving from epoxy tumblers to epoxy free. We are also moving from 2 videos to 1 video a week. More details on the exact day will be coming soon. I have to figure out how to use the community feature in YouTube. I'm working on that. Okay, so also we are working on opening a group for the community of Quatechia Create so that we can share our crafts and all of that with one another and get support from each other. And you will see me more consistently on my other social media platforms. So you'll see me on Instagram, you'll see me on TikTok, you'll see me on Facebook, and I'm really excited about that, you guys. I'm so excited. I hope y'all are excited too. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Also, if you have any questions or any content or anything that you want to see, comment down below. If you have any suggestions to this epoxy situation that I'm having, comment down below. You guys, thank you so much for continuing to show up for me. I love you guys so much. I really do. And that's it, you guys. Until next time, bye-bye. Why do I say epoxy? Oh my God. Anyway, I've been having issues with epoxy, okay?